everyone, welcome to the next session on AutoCAD tutorials. In this session, we will see how to draw the nameplate for an isometric drawing. So we will first remove this isometric drafting, and now you can see the lines behind have become straight. Then I can go to line option and I will draw the border here because that is the first and foremost thing required. And here I will leave some space for drawing the nameplate. Then I'll go vertically up and then join here. Now this line has not got joined, so I'll just extend a bit, click and just drag. Then I'll go to trim and remove this extra part. Escape. Then I'll go to line again and here I will draw the nameplate. The first section we create is for the name of institute or organization. Then here we will divide it into two parts. So just extend it here itself. Or you could have drawn a straight line. I'll divide into three each. Now I'll go to text, multi-line text. Just zoom a bit so that it is easier to draw. So I'll click inside at 2 points. And here I'll write down the name of you can write here the name of your college or your institute or organization, whatever it is. Here I'll change this height to 4. It's not working because it's too big. 3 or 3.5 and underline. I click OK. Then again I'll go to multi-line text. Here I'll create a small box for writing the name. This height I'll keep it as 3 and underline. Same we'll do for the class and division. You could change these labels based on your requirement. Here I'll create a column for sign. Underline, click outside, go to multi-line text. Here say you want the person to write the date. And lastly, here the gradation work. So grade, underline. If you want, you can just drag it a bit behind. So that's how you draw the border and you create the nameplate in isometric drawing of AutoCAD. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to draw the nameplate for an isometric drawing in AutoCAD. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.